you know me, that's victory. Can't control me, you should know me, I want victory. W's only, man, you know me, that's victory. You can't control me, cause I came for the... Down and out for the count. Did it come around a minute? Oh wow. All of my ups sitting on the block, thinking like, man, we figured it out. Never knew God was with him, and now when I walk in, they give me a smile. That's what you do when you got the B and B. So go in and give me your crowd. Talking to a grown up, old me, but a new me. Sure I glowed up, never fold up. Heartbroken apart from me and my work ethic never broke up. Yeah, I said it in the start, man. I want the victory. I don't care what you say, you cannot get to me. It won't put no into me.
Hi guys! Welcome to my wedding!
We both said yes to forever and whatever comes next.
Boy, sana kung ano yung pinalaki mo sa bahay, sa atin, kung ano yung pagpapalaki namin sa'yo, ganun din ang gawin mo para sa pamilya mo.
Basta pagkarami sa nubuyo nagkapamilya ka na, pagkarami mo kambal. So kung ano kan nakikita mo, amo na ito. Ano hindi problema.
Looking in my eyes, gonna leave it all behind, cause it's only you and I. Sitting round, hear the music playing loud. We don't care if there's a crowd, we don't. We've only got one love shared by two hearts beating.
Kakapilya kami, unang nagkita. Nung pinakalala siya, di ko siya tinignan. Dead ma lang. Kasi huyo.
Nung makita ko siya, parang lumiliwanag ito. Sabi ko nga sa sarili ko kanina sa boss ko is, baka ito na to.
Thinking, what do we do? 3 words.
Yeah! Hey! Hey! Whoop! Hey! 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 Hey!
Ang nagagawin ka pag isa nyo, natutulala ka sa akin.
Okay, tatanggapin ko yun lang.
Unsure of what tomorrow
Today, I stand before you, humbled by the gift of you, and with the deepest gratitude in my heart, I make these promises. I promise that I'll always love you for exactly who you are, with all my heart and strengths, your flaws, and everything in between. And I promise to love you more deeply with each passing day. From this day forward, your joy will be my joy. Your struggle will be my struggles. Your heart will be my heart. Your dreams will be my dreams. And your life will be my life. Until death do us part. In you I found my person. And I am so incredibly blessed to work this journey of life by your side. With all my heart, I'll give you my love, my commitment, my devotion, and now and always.
Baby, I love you. Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's breathing, and the story of my life is all about you. Oh, if you feel the cold winds blowing through your nights, I will shelter you.
Mahal, mamahalin kita araw-araw. Kahit sa mga panahong inis na ako sa'yo. Mamahalin kita sa mga bagay na kinaiinit ng ulo ko. Mamahalin kita sa paraang alam ko mula noon, ngayon, at sa mga susunod pang panahon. Nandito ako palagi. Mang-iinis at aasarin ka sa lahat ng bagay. Ako ang number 1 bully mo, pero ang number 1 supporter mo. Nandito ako palagi sa mga oras na malungkot ka, stress ka na, at alam mo na, palagi ako nandito. Wala man sa harap mo, pero nasa puso mo. Left and right, front and back, turn around. Nandito ako 24/7, 365 days, and minsan 366 days pag leap year. Mahal na mahal kita, Hal. Lagi ka mag-iingat kahit hindi tayo palagi magkasama. Araw-araw akong mag-iintay sa pag-uwi mo. Bilisan mo lang, haha. I love you so much, mahal.
Kahit dito'y iwan ng lalaki, ang kanyang ama at ina at makikisama sa kanyang asawa. Ang dalawa ay magiging isang laman lamang, kaya hindi na sila dalawa, hindi isang laman lamang. Ang pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.
Mag-ingat kayo sa iyong paglalakbay nyo, magmahalang kayo at magrespetuhan sa buhay, magpakarami kayo.
Kung anong nakita mong pagpapalaki ko sa inyo, ganun din gawin mo sa pagiging anak nyo. At huwag na huwag ninyong kalilimutan, ang uunahin muna nyo ay ang samba.